Hello guys, good morning. So today our topic is the second part of our topic regarding cloud computing, which is this is why is cloud computing typically cheaper to use than having your own, okay, on data center or servers that you maintain. Okay, so here is the reason why based on Microsoft documentation, but there are other reasons, and I will discuss it to you as well. So previously we discussed this part, what is cloud computing, and I also describe what is the cloud. The cloud is which is the cloud is the internet, and now it also connotes that the cloud is are the data centers or companies company provider that provides computer services over the internet. Okay, so now let's discuss why it's cheaper to operate in the cloud than operating on your own hardware devices or network or your data centers. So ito yung sinasabi niya. So cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet by using a pay-as-you-go pricing model. So ito yung pinopromote nila or pinaka-bentahin nila dito, yung pay-as-you-go pricing model. So sinasabi dito, kung ano lang yung ginamit mong resources, yun lang yung babayaran mo. Okay? It depends on how long you use it and what kind of resource na you use mo. So compute nila yan. So time and resource. So unlike, for example, having your own hardware, before you even use it, kailangan mo maglabas ng pera, di ba? Bibili ka ng hardware. Aside from the process na kung ang hirap ng process para lang makabili ng server sa company. But talking about the price, so yeah, it's a lot more expensive having your own hardware, right? You typically pay only for the cloud services you use, which helps you, okay, lower your operating cost, run your infrastructure more efficiently, scale as your business needs change. Okay? So, mas madali na kasi, yun nga, you don't need to, hindi ka na kailangan maglabas ng pera. Okay? Just to buy your hardware or maintain that hardware. And kahit hindi mo siya ginagamit, you need to maintain it and pay for that hardware. Okay? Unlike kung nagre-rent ka lang or you pay or the services on the cloud, it's really lower your operating cost. And mas madali mo siyang i-manage yung infra mo o yung hardware service mo or whatever setup ng hardware mo sa cloud. Just set up mo lang siya using software and you don't need the actual hardware to maintain or set up. So, madali siyang i-run or i-manage. Scale as your business to change. So, pwede kang magdagdag anytime. Unlike yung sarili mong server, bibili ka ng 10, another 10 servers, that will take a lot of time. No? Hindi ka basta-basta makapag-scale. Unlike sa cloud, kung gusto mo ng additional 20 servers, additional 50 servers, kaya mo yung gawin within minutes. You can add more additional networks or apps or servers or additional storage like 1 terabytes of storage. Just configure it on your internet and within minutes meron na. Okay. Imagine having to set up it on your own, having your own hardware. Napakatagal nun. And you need to really hire a very you know, good engineer to do that for you. Dito, sila nang bahala. Ikaw, set up ka lang. Like, you just administrate what you want. Nandun na, okay? To put it another way, sabi dito, ano, cloud computing is a way to rent computer power and storage from someone else data center. So, parang nag-rent ka lang, okay? Like, yung rent to own a car, no? Rent a car, pwede kang gumamit ng kahit anong sakyan, BMW, Vios, for one day, rentahan mo lang. Just pay maybe 1,000 or 2,000 depende sa car na gusto mong gamitin. And within the day, you can use that. It's cheaper than buying it on your own and maintaining it. Right? So, yun. Parang gano'n 'yun, So, nirerentahan mo lang yung hardware. You can treat cloud resources like you would your resources in your own data center. So, 'pag nag-set up ka ng network or VMware, ikaw ang bahala ro'n. I-maintain mo siya, pero via internet lang. Hindi mo kailangang i-maintain yung hardware. So, when you're done using them, you give them back. You bill only for what you use. So, yun nga. Kung ano lang ginamit mo, kung ano lang niran mo, or depende yan. O, parang, it's not as simple as that, but basically just like that. Kung ano lang ginamit mo, yun lang ang bibil sa'yo. Okay? It's really exciting. So, imagine you have a new business idea and you need 3 servers. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng server. You just rent 3 servers sa cloud and set it up immediately. Like within an hour, meron ka na server. So, that's something you cannot do kung bibili ka ng physical server. So, kailangan mo pa ng space to store that servers. Kailangan mo pa ng mga cables. Kailangan mo pang alam kung paano ikabit yung mga cables. It's really difficult than just renting. Okay? I actually like this idea of renting and shared resource. Okay? Instead of maintaining CPUs and storage in your data center, you rent them for the time that you need them. So, kung kailangan mo lang, doon mo lang siya rent. Okay? So, aside from, kahit nasaan ka, pwede mong gawin yun. Okay? Like, if you have, again, your own hardwares, hindi mo kayang gawin yan. No? You need to set it up in one specific location. And you need to access it there. Sa cloud, hindi mo kailangan ganyan. This actually, sa cloud, usually, marami silang regions and data centers. They can replicate your configuration or your infrastructure anywhere in the world. Okay? So, kahit saan ka, the same yung performance no infra mo. Unlike yung sarili mo. Kung sa Pinas mo sinetup yan, most likely, pag nasa ibang lugar ka like Europe, hindi na siya ganun kaganda yung performance niya. Okay? The cloud provider takes care of maintaining the underlying infrastructure for you. So, sila na nga yung provide, sila yung nag-maintain, and they have this big data center where it's, marami doong engineers nag-maintain ng servers, nagbabantay doon. And it's really a very secure data center. Okay? Napaka-secure niya, bantay sarado siya, marami siyang technology for the security. So, hindi mo siya basta-basta mananakaw, mapupuntahan. And, kahit na may mga disasters, it can survive yung mga malalakas o matinding disaster. Unlike if you have your own, medyo vulnerable it. So, pag may magnanakaw, pwedeng manakaw. Or pag may calamity, pwedeng masira yung infra mo. Unlike them, okay? Napaka-secure. They have the resources to do that and the money, okay? The cloud enables you to quickly solve your toughest business challenges. So, kung may kailangan kang infra, madali na lang sa cloud setup. So, kung kailangan mo magdagdag ng server, maraming visitor sa website mo, madali na lang. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili o mag-setup pa. And bring cutting-edge solutions to the users. Yun yung isa pang advantage. Available na agad yung mga latest, technology or softwares or solutions sa cloud. Because as you know, they employ all the best engineers, scientists and programmers because they have the money. Okay, they can give them higher salary and a good environment for the developer. That's why the best developer works for them. Kaya yun, they have a lot of these people who can create really good solutions, and they can deploy that immediately on the cloud, make it available for us to use, and we can use that and pay for the for the amount kung kailan natin siya ginamit. Okay? So, yun yung advantage ng paggamit ng cloud. It's a lot cheaper. And as mentioned before, one big reason is the economies of scale. Okay? Dahil na ma-maximize lahat ng hardware na magamit nila, yung mga CPU, memory, at that's for lahat ng hardware actually maximize. Dahil napakalaki and maraming businesses ang nag-subscribe. So marami ang gumagamit ng servers, mas nagiging cheaper yung operation ng data center. That's why they can, rent it cheaper. Okay? Mas mababa yung price dahil dahil sa operation is medyo lowered na. Aside from marami nag-subscribe and it's a lot of it are actually automated na. So hindi na kailangan ng engineers na gawin pa 'yon. So mas mura because it is automated and the scale is big and maraming nagre-rent. So yan ang nakita kong biggest reason kung bakit mas cheaper yung gamit ng cloud aside from you just pay for the service that you want. That's in comparison to having your own data center or renting a data center sa maliliit na cloud provider or data centers like PLDT because mas high-tech itong mga big player provider ng cloud and they can provide cheaper computer services over the internet. So, yun lang guys. Sana may nag-gets kayo dito sa ating topic ngayon. Why is cloud computing cheaper to use? Okay, and next time, we'll discuss this. Why should I move to the cloud? Why your business should move to the cloud? You should move to the cloud because of this main reason. This is cheaper. Okay, and we will discuss more on yung mga sinasabi dito. Okay, until next time, thank you for watching and hope you like and subscribe. Have a good day.